Roy from ABC Hardware and Rental out of Baltimore, New York. I just want to say that we do rent General snakes on a daily basis. Phenomenal equipment, great return on investment. All the products are phenomenal, and thank you.
Yeah, so coming by the show here to pick up our third unit, a 100-footer. Our 75 and our 50 have been great renters. And the 75, we're almost bought another one because they rent out so well. They're back-to-back rentals for us up there in Alaska.
Okay, are they good return on investment?
Been a real good return on the investment.
All right. Hey, thank you very much.
I'm Dan Leary with New River Valley Rental up in the mountains of Virginia. And we've been at it since 1972 and use the general, the minis and the snake tainers, and those things just keep going and going and going. It's sort of like George Washington's hammer. It's got a new cable on it. It may have a new handle on the top, but it's the same one we started with. And we've been using those things for years and years, and they just always keep going.
My name's Shaheen Kamaranian. I'm from Fargo, North Dakota. I manage a store called Rental, equipment rental store. We have probably 5-6 of these through our company. Customers absolutely love them. They talk about how much of a workhorse they are. Easy to clean, easy to upkeep.